From my grandma, I learned the legacy of being generous and loving.
I've learned to be kind, to be humble.
Mi abuelo fue una persona con mucho liderazgo.
In my case, when I was young, I was close to my grandmother and my grandfather, on both sides. And I saw how they were staying in our house, how they died. But it was always a learning situation that I get from them. All the learning that I have about how to behave, they give me so many advice that I use in the future, who help to make what I am today, as a doctor, as a human being, as a friend.
The U.S. Department of Health and Human Services reports that more than 10,000 people turn 65 every day in the United States.
Aging has evolved over the past centuries. In 1900, the average life expectancy in U.S. was 47 years. Today, it's 76 years.
There are three pillars for longevity and for well-being. So first of all, it's a diet. You have to have a good diet. And the second, you have to have a good exercise. The number three is we call stress management.
La esperanza de vida en España es de las más altas del mundo, pero hay otros países que nos aventajan en esperanza de vida con buena salud.
There is an urgent need to adapt health systems to better protect older adults and promote economic sustainability.
So I want people to embrace the fact that aging is a natural process of life, that there's no negativity to aging, and that you can have a vibrant, healthy life if you start good health practices early on. Socially, one of the biggest challenges that we face in this country is ageism. And if we combat ageism, we can have society stop looking at older adults as people that should be marginalized.
The key improvement that would make a meaningful difference is to recognize age as a diversity asset and not a problem. Young, middle-aged, adult, older people, all working together and benefiting one another.
We're saying bridge that gap. We cannot have these two populations antagonistic or not working cooperatively. They're the anchors of our community. So we've made some incredible intergenerational programming, such as sharing stories, sharing recipes, and many, many things. It's all about building a community and making sure we have an age-inclusive society.
I live in a 2-bedroom apartment with my 2 elderly parents. My mother has dementia. My dad had a stroke. It's very tough when your mother doesn't know who you are.
I'm a caregiver for a 96-year-old mother. But if you were to ask me ever, Lorena, you're a caregiver, I would say, no, I'm her daughter. She's my mother, I have that responsibility. So most people don't identify as a caregiver.
We have relied on a younger working population to pay for the care of the older population, which makes sense when there is a demographic level of at least 1-to-1, but that is one of the crises we're working through right now, is what happens when that starts to be out of balance, when there aren't enough younger working individuals to contribute and pay for the care of older citizens.
I think, especially in this day and age of technology, that elderly folks do go often overlooked.
I guess the most important about how to take care of this is education. Education of the young people.
We now have in every high school and middle school an aging curriculum, so we can teach young people the value of an age-inclusive society and teach them not to have ageism.
The UN has proclaimed 2021 to 2030 as the decade of healthy aging to be led by the World Health Organization.
We need policies from our governments legislation to protect the elderly and to guarantee the elderly know that their life is worthwhile to be lived, but also with the right benefits and with the right criteria to protect this fragile population.
El modelo español reconoce el derecho universal de los ciudadanos españoles a recibir servicios y prestaciones sociales en función de su grado de dependencia.
Some people have been calling for a tax on AI. So industries that start to replace employees with AI would be taxed for those decisions, partially to offset the types of tax revenue that were previously being filtered through employment. This is going to be a huge issue in the 21st century.
In the years ahead, it is crucial for older adults to have a strong voice in shaping public policy and seeking assistance from the family.
Isolation is the worst thing that could happen to the elderly. And that's why it's the most important that we have to work on it. More than medication, more than anything, it's about isolation.
Per favore, custodire I vecchi. E si perdono la testa a custodire I vecchi, perché sono la presenza della storia, la presenza della mia famiglia. Per favore, non lasciarli da soli.
We just simply need to realize that there is a purpose in life, and the purpose of life is to be fulfilled. And by fulfilling meaning that you live a life of joy, you live a life of happiness.